As tiny as they are mighty, chia seeds pack a punch well beyond their weight class in the nutrition ring. When you hear chia, your mind might dart to the quirky chia pets that sprout green hair, but these tiny seeds have stealthily climbed their way to superfood status. Dubbed the ancient food of the future, chia seeds were once the powerhouse snack of Aztec warriors, sustaining them on long, grueling journeys. Today, science backs up their legendary status, confirming that these minute marvels are not just a snack of the past, but a must-have for your health today. Starting off at number 1, we have omega-3 fatty acids. Chia seeds are one of the richest plant-based sources of alpha-linolenic acid, ALA, a type of omega-3 fatty acid known for its cardiovascular and cognitive benefits. Regular consumption can aid in the reduction of depression and enhance cognitive functions. Notably, omega-3s are essential because the body cannot produce them. They must be ingested through our diet. Diving deeper, this omega-3 powerhouse contributes to the structural component of cell membranes, particularly in the brain, playing a crucial role in neuroprotection and brain health. This makes integrating chia into your diet not just a suggestion, but a necessity for keeping your mind sharp as you age. Holding steady at number 2, mighty fiber, probiotic power and beyond. Beyond its fame for omega-3s, chia seeds are an incredible source of fiber, delivering a whopping 11 grams per ounce. This high fiber content aids digestion by promoting bowel regularity and feeding the good bacteria in the gut, essential for maintaining a healthy microbiome. Integrating chia seeds into your diet facilitates a slower conversion of carbohydrates into sugar, preventing spikes in blood sugar levels and keeping you full longer. This slow-burning process makes chia seeds an ideal food for sustained energy throughout the day. Coming in at number 3, antioxidant abundance. Combating the aging process, chia seeds are loaded with antioxidants, which help fight the production of free radicals, damaging molecules that can harm cellular structures as well as DNA. This rich antioxidant profile not only helps in preventing premature aging, but also reduces the risk of developing chronic diseases such as cancer. Another layer to the antioxidant story is the relief from oxidative stress, which is linked with improved recovery from exercise. Thus, athletes often use chia seeds to decrease recovery times and enhance performance. At number 4, we have mineral mastery, calcium and magnesium at work. Chia seeds are an excellent source of minerals, including calcium, magnesium, and phosphorus, pivotal for bone health. For those who are dairy-free or have a diet lacking in these essential nutrients, chia seeds provide a non-dairy source of calcium. Integrated regularly into diets, chia seeds can enhance bone mineral density. Moreover, magnesium contributes to hundreds of reactions in the body, including nerve transmission, muscle contraction, and a normal heart rhythm, making chia seeds a holistic powerhouse for maintaining overall health. Rounding out the top 5, protein powerhouse, sustained energy, and muscle health. Now, boasting a protein content of about 6 grams per ounce, chia seeds provide a plant-based protein source that's crucial for muscle repair and growth. This is particularly beneficial for vegetarians and vegans looking for non-meat protein sources. Proteins are the building blocks of life, necessary for tissue repair, immune function, and hormone production. Including chia seeds in meals can be a simple yet effective strategy to boost your daily protein intake. At number 6, weight management wizardry. Due to their high fiber and protein content, chia seeds can significantly contribute to weight management. Fiber provides bulk and helps you feel full longer, while protein has known satiety effects, reducing the urge to snack on less healthy options. Their capacity to absorb water, swelling up to 12 times their original size when soaked, also contributes to a feeling of fullness, aiding in fewer calorie intake without feeling hungry. And finally, at number 7, balancing blood sugar, a diabetic's friend. Chia seeds have a profound effect on stabilizing blood sugar levels, making them an invaluable food choice for people with diabetes. Their high fiber helps slow the absorption of sugar in the bloodstream and prevent spikes after meals. Regular ingestion of chia seeds has been linked with lower fasting blood sugar levels and improvements in insulin sensitivity. Incorporating chia seeds into a diabetic diet plan can help manage and stabilize blood sugar levels effectively. To sum it up, embracing chia seeds in your diet can unlock numerous health benefits. From boosting brain and bone health to managing weight and stabilizing blood sugar, these tiny seeds are a true nutritional treasure. Remember, integrating small changes in your diet, such as adding chia seeds, can lead to significant health improvements over time. Now that you've grasped the compelling advantages of these powerful seeds, how will you incorporate them into your daily diet to reap these exceptional benefits? Let us know in the comments so we can compare everyone's take on chia seeds. And if you found this video helpful, please support us by giving us a thumbs up, share it with your friends, and hit that subscribe button for more health tips and home remedies. Until next time, stay healthy, stay happy, and keep exploring the wonderful world of natural healing. This is Shireen from Remedies Insider, signing off. Have a good one and take care.